This year taught me to be grateful. This year.
I'm so grateful being part of this global community.
This community reminded me that through faith, grit, and heart, we work for our family's future, spreading hope and opportunity this Christmas and always.
It is my wish and prayer that we may all reflect the heart and joy of Christmas.
My wish for everybody, especially single moms like me, is a Christmas filled with peace, strength, and hope. May this season remind you that your sacrifices matter, your love is enough, and brighter days are ahead. Merry Christmas from my heart to yours.
I'm grateful for all the late nights, the small sacrifices at yung araw-araw na pagpili natin sa ating mga family kahit pagod na. Para sa lahat ng mga parents, mga mom and dads na tahimik na lumalaban, araw-araw, pagod pero puno ng pagmamahal. Merry Christmas!
Hi, my wish for every woman watching is this. If you're a single mom like me or a hardworking mom like me, doing your best even when you're tired matters. This Christmas, I wish you hope, clarity, and the belief that a lighter, better future is possible. Merry Christmas.
Hi, this year taught me to have more faith. Faith that you can survive whatever storms you are facing right now, and kung ano man yung mga nasan mong mga pagsubok sa buhay, have faith in God. And wishing you all a very Merry Christmas.
I am so grateful for all the challenges that I was facing because it teaches me to be resilient. And on these holiday seasons, I'm wishing everyone to have peace, love, and joy in their heart. Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas everyone! Salamat sa inyong pagtangkilik sa aming mga lives at sa mga replays ng aming StreamYard. My wish for every woman is that sana nakapagbigay kami ng konting impact sa inyo at marirealize ninyo yung importance ng magkaroon ng side hustle like what we are doing para magkaroon din kayo ng time freedom like us. Wishing you again Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year!
Merry Christmas everybody! This year taught me na hindi overnight ang business. Sa business, tuloy kahit mahirap, grateful progress over perfection. I'm wishing everybody a Merry Christmas. I wish you and your family to have a wonderful time to spend together. Merry Christmas, everyone!
Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas! Cheers! Merry Christmas! Merry Christmas!